Hello everyone, I am James, Social Faculty of VII. In this video, we will learn Lesson 1 from 7th Social. The name of the lesson is Reading Map of Different Kind. Before that, let us know what is map and what are the different types of map. We know that map is a graphical representation of an earth. What are the types of map? First one is physical map. A map that shows physical features of an area like river, mountains, forest, soil. Then political map. A map that shows country, states, capital, districts, mandal, village. Political means it will show only area or places. Physical, it will show physical features like mountain, river, forest, soil. Third one is thematic map. A map that shows only one features. It is also known as theme based map. Okay, this map prepared on one theme. So this is the example of thematic map. This map, it shows only one feature, that is languages spoken in different states. So this is thematic map. It is prepared on the theme of languages. This is the question we have to do. Mehar went to Bhopal from Hyderabad. In which direction did he travel? He started from Hyderabad and moving to Bhopal. So we know that Hyderabad, it is southward, Bhopal means Madhya Pradesh. So we have to go from south to north. So in which direction did he travel? Here the answer is north. Like that you can do other questions. Symbols. The symbols that we used on map to represent different thing is known as symbol. It is also known as conventional symbol. Symbols are of different type. Point symbol, line symbol, area symbol. Point symbol, like for representing any country, we use point symbol. Even for states capital, we represent point symbol. Line symbol. Line symbol are used for river, road, railway. Area symbol. Area symbol are used for playground. It is used for tank. It is used for types of soil. So these three types of symbol are used for different purposes on map. On this lesson, we will know about height map. The name of the lesson is reading map of different kinds. So here a different kinds of map is there, that is height map. What is height map? A map that shows the height of country, states, districts, etc. So it will show the height. How this map is prepared? What are the symbol used on this map? Height map or map showing height. You know, mountains, plateau and hills are on height. Many places are there on this landform. How to represent the heights of land on a flat paper? We cannot draw mountains and we will locate the places, and we can show the height of different places. It's difficult if we draw the mountains, because if we draw the mountains we can show only one part of the mountain. We cannot show what are the places located in another side of the mountain. So in height map a symbol is used. That symbol is known as contour lines. With the help of contour lines, the height of different places are shown on height map. What is contour line? It is a line joining the places of equal heights, is known as contour lines. You can see on the picture, it is a line. But if you see on the picture, it is looking like circle, but it is not circle line. It is a line and they are connected to each other. The line is connected, and this line, it is joining the places of equal heights. There are three places A, B, C. A is on 20 meter, B is on 20 meter, C is on 20 meter. Here you can say A, B, C are on same height 20 meter. So all these places A, B, C, they are on 20 meter contour lines. So we can say a line joining the places of equal heights is known as contour line. This line, it joins A, B, C, because A, B, C are of same height. A and B are on 200-meter height. C and D are on 400-meter height. So there are two different types of height: 200-meter height, 400-meter height. Two number of heights are there. So we have to draw two contour lines: 200-meter contour lines, 400-meter contour lines. First we have to draw 200-meter contour line. On 200-meter contour lines we have to locate A and B. Then 400-meter contour line. On 400-meter contour line we have to locate C and D. Measuring height on land. I said you how the height are shown on height map. But here the question come, how we can measure the height of land. We have to remember that all heights are measured from sea level. To measure any height, we need a base, even we need an end part. We need a low part and we need a top part. Then only we can measure anything. So we do not know the land starts from which place. The lands may start below the ground, but we cannot go below the ground to measure the land. That's why we have to remember all the heights of land are measured from sea level. Since all the seas in the world are connected to each other, the sea level all over the world is taken roughly the same. There are many seas in the world, but these seas are not on same height. But though it is connected to each other, we have to consider that all the sea level are same. It is taken roughly the same. The sea level is not same always, it changes time to time. If you see the level of the sea, or you can say the top level of the sea, it changes, it never remains same. Because if there is high tides, the sea level increase, low tides, the sea level will decrease. So the scientist calculated an average sea level known as mean sea level. So mean sea level is the 0 meter. It is the 0 meter. From that level, we have to measure any land. So all the heights are measured from sea level. You can see here now, the level of the sea. It is not same. If there is high tide, the level of the sea will increase. If there is low tide, the level of the sea will decrease. So an average sea level has been calculated. That average sea level is known as mean sea level. See here, Nana, as we are drawing the contour lines, first we have to draw 0 meter, 0 meter contour lines. That means there are some places that are on mean sea level. The height of the places are equal to the mean sea level. So first we have to draw mean sea level contour lines. Then after we have to draw 10-meter contour line, then 20-meter contour line, then 30-meter contour line, then 40, then 50. Okay, first we have to draw the lower height, then we have to draw the higher height. Okay, because see the lower height, if you see the mountains, if you see the mountain, lower side are more, but top part are very less. So as you are drawing the contour lines, remember that outside will have less height, but when we go to the middle, it will be more height. You can see here first mean sea level, then 10 meter, then 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, 50 meter. So as we go inside the contour lines, the height is increasing. So when you are drawing contour lines, make sure that outside contour lines are less than middle contour lines. Here there is a picture. By seeing this picture, we have to draw the contour line. See 0 meter. On 50 meter, Nimpur village is there. On 100-meter temple is there. So how you can locate those places with the help of contour lines? See here, first we have to draw 0-meter contour line. It is mentioned there. Then we have to draw 50-meter contour lines, and on 50-meter contour lines we have to locate Nimpur village. Then we have to draw 100-meter contour lines. On 100-meter contour lines we have to locate the temple. Even it is shown in color: 0 to 50-meter green color, 51 to 100-meter light brown color, then 101 to 150, or you can say 100 and above is dark brown color. In this way we can represent the height of different places on map. I hope you have understand. What are the characteristic of contour lines? How is contour lines? See, it is irregular in shape. The contour lines are not regular shape. No, it is irregular in shape. They are not perfect circle. They are the line, and it runs irregularly. It is irregular in shape. Then it doesn't cut each other. The contour lines should not cut each other. There should not be gap in one contour lines. It doesn't cross each other. Even the lines should not cross each other. Remember, second one, the line should not cut each other. Third one, it doesn't cross each other. Contour lines should not cross each other. Even contour lines help us to know the type of slope. You know, there are two types of slope: steep slope, gentle slope. Steep slope means it is difficult to climb. Gentle slope, we can climb very easily. So by seeing the contour lines we can understand the slope is steep or gentle. If two contour lines are near to each other, it represents steep slope. But if two contour lines are far from each other, it represents gentle slope. Contour line represent slope of the land. You can see here, there is a mountain. This mountain is very steep. Steep means it's difficult to climb the mountains. On steep slope mountains, the height changes very fast. See, 10 meter, very next to it 12 meter. That means the height changes very soon. That's why the contour lines are near to each other. So if two contour lines are near to each other, it represents steep slope. The same thing for gentle slope. You know, gentle slope we can climb, we can walk very easily. If you see the gentle slope, the height doesn't change very soon. See, first 10 meter, after some distance then there is 20 meter. After some distance the height changes. That's why the contour lines, two contour lines will be far from each other. So if two contour lines are far from each other, it represents gentle slope. What are the uses of map showing height? First one, from the height map we can know the height of different places, obviously. Then we can know the nature of terrain, we can know the type of landform. From the contour lines we can understand where there is gentle slope, where there is steep slope. According to that we can understand where there is high mountain and where there is low mountain. This height map, it helps us for building dam. You know, dams have to be constructed on low land. If the dam will be constructed on high land, a time will come the water of the dam will fill and it may collapse. All the water will come and it may destroy the lower land. So dam have to be constructed on low land. So to know the low land we have to see the height map. Then for constructing the road, it is very difficult to construct road on steep slope. So we have to construct road on gentle slope. So to know the gentle slope we have to see the height map. Even for fixing tower, the tower have to be fixed in high land. To know the high land we have to see the height map. Like for settlement area should be in the plain area, not on high land, so that the transport system will be easy for the people. The people can get availability of water in the plain area, not in the hilly area or mountainous area. Even canal has to be constructed from high land to lowland. So in this way height map help us. We have to remember which is the highest state, which state is very high and which state is very low. The highest state is Sikkim, lowest state is Bihar. Like that, union territories, the highest union territory is Ladakh, lowest union territory is Lakshadweep. Okay, that means Lakshadweep is very near to the mean sea level, but Ladakh, it is very high. Then what is the height of Telangana? The height of Telangana is 965 meter. The highest point of Telangana is 965 meter, and that highest point is known as Doriguta. This is all about height map. Thank you everyone.